So if you've ever found yourself standing in the kitchen with food in your handing thinking, fuck, how did I even get here? Then this is for you. What's really happening is you are on autopilot. Your brain has walked the same path so many times that there's now a clear trail, a trail you genuinely walk without even thinking about it. You get stressed and you find yourself at the pantry and you don't even remember making the decision because there wasn't one to be made. The problem isn't that you don't have any willpower, it's a wiring problem, and wiring can be rewired. So save this, follow along for the rest of the series where I show you exactly how to rewire it.